face ass, they look nice to meet ya. Tell your boyfriend you gotta pay for the feature. Me and Young Smiley, we pull up in that beam. Got a chopper on me, keep the stick in the seat. Got a black and white, girl, they look like a She 30, you know I gotta keep her. She 30, she know what I need her. Spanish mommy, she blow me like a creeper.
Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Bitch, I'm from New York, New York, bitch, I'm from New York. Hey, hey, hey.
I can see what you did, I can see how you living. She ain't really my bitch, she all in my bed. I'm just stacking all these hundreds, can't spend past my limit. Shorty, you ain't pull up on me, cause see you ain't with it.
What did you two men are rolling out day 3? It's raining, you know what I'm saying? We pulled up kinda late, but we gonna get this show started. What are you saying? Are you crying? I'm crying, it's raining. It's raining, but rain or shine, this don't stop it. Let's get it.
That's a new pain. See out of my new flame. Don't know how long this gon' last. But wait, bitch, buddy got me sing for the flame. I might let you bring a bitch about the got my baby a week ago and I ain't care about who she know. I got a secret and I can keep it, I think. I'm like,
I can do that, boo. What you want to choose? Give me choose. Talk to him. Try to find another boo. Let's fuck it up. As long as it make it double though.
I ain't with the toss, no get these chains, I'ma bust out the mud. Chopper kick hard, I clip to the mud. Two bitches with me, they eating each other. Previous diamond, they shine like that.
Here we go. Hey, what's up? Rolling out 22 New York. Pull your
You smoking on hot smell like millions. Yo, watching my argument. A lot of my spots with that house on the grill. Better suit up before you go on that trip. I'm always been me to my time around with you. Better stay easy for body like that. Like the sky, he took out like a rock. She only needs like a great deal. I'm not mad that I was big on factory. Right for the league, gang off. Now how you get down? Try to run right at the jar. You be what you bought, so that is a guard. Came here right when the theory meets. Put my weight in like this. Go like double, triple, G-Rush, your one pick up.
rolling out 22 New York. What's up? What's up?
I'm checking up back on pump. I hit the start to the right of my rock. I hold up the house. I'm the Jets. I'm walking at the big marine pattern on these old.
Rolling out 22 feet. We official. Hey, shit. Hey, 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 Hey!
trap nigga don't give a fuck about pussy. Ain't tryna ask me for that. Yes, I'm from. And you can tell I get real ignorant. The nigga I'm from. I got bottles, girl. I got my bottles. And if you want to see anybody out here, come point to the hills and say, I'm all the way up.
Listen. When I do this song, can y'all turn the fuck up with me? Listen, I wanna show these other niggas, I wanna show these other cities why we the best city in the fucking world. Can we do that? So I need everybody to fucking bounce. When I tell you to bounce, let's jump, okay? Trying to get high.
New York City, make some noise!
I don't know what's many niggas that's crazy, cause I never thought I'd get into this shit. I don't make so much money, I don't care about them, I ain't trust niggas with the whole booty. I'm tired of these niggas, I'm talking to you, who left you out. You ain't good for me, but it's so hard for me to give you out. It ain't good for me to know the pain, but I still step it up. You did me wrong, so now I'm moving like I was falling. My back was turned, yeah, I was cold, but I heard what y'all said. This little bitch, though, she was slick, I got the spits, and then I pissed, I had to show her that I didn't care. I treated you good when nobody would, I played my part like that. You fucking around, you gotta let me know so I don't get my heart attached. I know what you do before you do it, you ain't slick like that. Yeah, I swear this gon' fuck this summer up. Niggas hating on me cause I'm coming up. Fuck you all night, we ain't gon' stop till the summer's up. Make you mine for a little, you should let me break your spine just a little. Just shorty on my wrist to me. I said you could call my phone when you need me, hit me when you need me. I swear to God, girl, you never try to leave me. I want you to myself, I swear to God, I'm greedy. I gotta know what time to wait, it ain't easy. Cause at the night is when these niggas come. I'm the definition of a bad nigga. Count me. Just look at the cash amount. I get the cash amount. Yeah, I do the dash amount. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Suicide. If you ever gonna let me know. Yeah, suicide. Okay. Uh-oh. Get ready! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Can't keep my dick in my pants. My bitch don't love me no more. She give me out like bro. That bitch don't wanna be friends. I give her dick, she got mad. She put her foot on my dick. Hey, look at my wrist and my face. Just got a pound of proof.
Little pussy, yeah. Okay, okay. You so pussy, yeah. Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Let's go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Yeah!
Are you ready for Future? Make some noise! Let's do this shit, man. Here we go.
Took a shot at Henry,
Robin Lane!
took a shot at Henry,
New York City, put your hands in the sky!
took a shot at Henry, it's in my whole hood, got it.
Are you ready for Future? Let's go, Pluto!
Took a shot at Henry,
What's up?
it's in my whole hood, got it.
Everybody put them up!
They know they talk that stick talk.
What's up?
They know we talk that neck talk.
Hands up!
$10 million cash, fuck a friend.
Okay,
Started
okay,
getting served,
okay.
get air set. Gotta keep that heat on the
Let's go, 3!
You know you talk that dick talk. I'm put the
Hands up, hold up. Brother, put his hands up, hold up. You can't understand us, they come through with a stick finger. We can talk a lick, talk and never fucking be true. I ain't got no manners for the slut. I'ma put my
thumb in her butt.
took a shot at Henny, I ain't gonna say this cause you're too soft. Taliban bad, bro, I'm straight new level. Bring this shit. I'm on a new level. Bring this shit.
I'm on a new level.
Bring this shit. Yeah. Want me in the shovel. Put these niggas in the dirt. All my niggas put it.
Let's go.
If your retro
New York City! I think we're ready to turn up. Hold on, Future, what we say?
If your retro don't trust me,
Open it up on my right side. Open it up left side. Here we go.
2022 rolling loud.
Halloween.
Taliban.
Let's go. Jump, 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 jump.
Jump. Whoa.
They just feel like 2 or 3 weeks out of the country. Them boys up to something, they just not just bluffing.
I like this verse side.
Just think I trust you.
Whoa.
You searching for answers,
I do not know nothing.
I see
the
a
right
ticket,
side.
I know something's coming. Jumping, them boys up to something. Woo! Jumping.
That way we ride, we gon' go. Noble.
What's up?
I just throw the private jet in
Hey! What's up? Let's go. CG, yeah.
One is in the panic, get my piece.
I'm pushing B.
Can't move hammers for my feet.
We don't want no.
Catch a spider across the back.
Just a
Peace. Drop it down and let me flat inside the peas. Push B, I'm pushing B.
Let's go. Hey.
Capital P, I rock the president, count president. Portuguese on her knees, wiping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leaves. Check her location, she thinks she me, yes,
What you say?
what?
Put on my chest, now she thinks she me.
See?
She keep it Glock in the bed, they see me in binoculars. Running a check, I'm proud of you. Running a Rex, I'm proud of you. All that BG.
She love it, my crew. She love it, my crew.
New York loving this shit right now.
New York City, put your hands in the sky. Put your
With that bullshit.
that bullshit.
Not a gang member, you can tour me.
Let's go.
I be blacking out. All the 83 colors for the weekend.
For the weekend.
I got 100,000 and I'm freaking.
Get my freaking.
I made 100,000 extra some shit. Put me in the car. Motherfucker, chitty.
What?
Bitch, I'm on a roll. I put that on it.
Yeah.
Don't mix me with that bullshit.
That bullshit.
You're not a gang member, users.
A tourist.
I be blacking out. I be blacking.
What's up?
Bought an 83 cutlass for
For the weekend.
know it's raining outside, right?
Let's do it, right?
You know.
You know it's raining outside,
You
right?
know, so we.
It's raining in Rolling
We
Loud
don't give a fuck about this
2022.
rain.
Offset in the motherfucking building. Pull them camera phones out. You ready? Let's go. 3, go. Break up. Fucking on your bitch here.
Cooking up dope in the crock pot.
We get from nothing to something, nigga. How do to nobody else, nigga. Pull up the game. Pull it down. Cooking that dough with them. My niggas is savage, ruthless. Let's go, Set. Let's go, Set. Bitch is better. Let's go, Set. Whoa, they be tripping. They be tripping. What the fuck your name is, nigga? Rolling out you. Like the usual. Like you with the side with a bad bitch. Then I send them through Uzi. I'm taking bitches cause I'm boosted. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got records on records, so my money making my. You niggas got a low act rate. Hey, we put it up. That could be blunt in the ass. Let's go. I appreciate that shit. Make some motherfucking noise and shit right now, nigga. Just don't get there right now. What's up? Hey yo, Set, let's go fucking crazy on them. Rolling out in. Going to the club with the MP. Yeah. Just riding in my water like a jet ski. Yeah. I was out fucking with the best ski. Yeah. I want to stop to the fucking set. We're down to go on a bit. 57 spent the cool on my wrist. $1 million, I'm a fool with it here. I'm a fool. I just put this on my diamond, look like hula hoop. I'm in my Bentayga and the seat is number 2. When she never check my pocket, fella, see no rules. It's the boom without the way, a lot of level, a lot of way. 57 spent the cool on my wrist. $1 million, I'm a fool. That's it. From the AP, style in the water like a jet ski. I'm trying to fuck you with your bestie. Hey, we got bread. Let's go. We run for the best. Why you treat it like the #1, baby? Put your bitches on, yeah, we gon' do that. Put your ice on, I say you can. No baby, your collection once.
And follow directions of the event staff. This is a festival safety alert. Thank you for your patience. This area is now considered safe.
Yo, severe thunderstorm warning rolling loud. Future got rained out. What are you saying? What are you saying? Yo, this is crazy. Yo, no, this isn't even real life at this point. This is ridiculous. Rolling loud 2022. Future. Yo. Nah, Lee, look at the water on the ground. Yo, you're crying. Your tech is drenched. Your tech is drenched. You're drenched. You're drenched. You're bunk. It's pouring rain. Yo, we're crying. Oh my God, yo, you see this bitch? This is crazy. This is crazy. Rolling Loud. Only things like this happen to Rolling Loud. Rolling Loud. Yo. You missed out. Yo, it's like a pool of water outside. Like, mans are crying. I know mans are crying.
You ain't notice. He ain't notice. Niggas notice me. No, just got your bitch, yeah, I'm all up in her ovaries. I can't trust a nigga, last time that happened, they told on me. Flow real high, yeah, nigga got the third. She said something about the moon.
What it do, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? As you can see, you know what I'm saying, this was kind of a crazy ending. Future, you know, it got rained out. There was a lot of rain, but without further ado, I enjoyed today. You know what I'm saying? I still had fun. It was still a great time. Still got to see many artists that, you know, I listen to on a daily basis, so it was a nice time. But without further ado, this is going to conclude today's video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to drop a sub and like if you enjoyed as we stay lit over here, you know what I'm saying? More bangers on the way, road to 5K. I'll see you on the next one. Let's get it.
Niggas notice me. No, just got your bitch, yeah, I'm all up in her ovaries. I can't trust a nigga, last time that happened, they told on me.